All right, guys, so finally Black Friday is here. We're going to check out the top deals that Lowe's has. So first off, I went over to the gift shop area and I was checking out the tools to see if they dropped any of these prices. I expected some nice price drops over here because these tools have been priced at the same price for a while. But unfortunately, in my area, I didn't see any price drops on any of these tools. Very disappointed in that. Hopefully, we'll see some price drops pretty soon. So I ended up moving on, and on their main aisles, they had a lot of good deals like this one right here. They got the Blackstone 17-inch one burner portable gas griddle for $79. This was $159. This is today only, 11/24. So hopefully you guys will be able to see this at your stores whenever you get there. But this is a really good deal. 17-inch Blackstone griddle. It's got the lid on it, which is really nice. 79 bucks for this doorbuster deal at Lowe's. If you guys are looking for something bigger, they also had a pretty decent deal on the 4 burner Blackstone griddle. It was $4.99. Knocked 100 bucks off on this, got it down to $3.99. It's not a bad pickup here if you're looking for a Blackstone griddle. There's the item number right there, and this is good from 11/24 to 11/29. So this sale will be going on for a little while. But really nice Blackstone griddle there. They also were doing a deal on the essential tool kit for Blackstone. Only 10 bucks off on this, but it's a 6-piece griddle kit. Was $49.98 down to $39.98. Going to come with all your basic essentials. Really nice tool kit to pick up with your griddle. Another good deal is they had this patio heater. This has been $159 for a while now, only $10 off, but they got this all the way down to $99. Really good pickup on this, especially with the cold weather approaching. It's 48,000 BTU stainless steel, rust resistant. It's going to take a normal 20-pound propane tank, but only $99 for this, guys. Really good deal. All right, next up, they had some Christmas stuff, and they had this 6-foot light up or pop up, they call it, snowman. This was marked down from $139 all the way down to $79. Really good deal on this 6-foot pre-lit. And this is an indoor outdoor snowman by Holiday Living. $79 for this one. And this deal is going to be going on from 11/24 all the way through 11/29. So this is not a doorbuster deal. They also had some pre-lit trees for Christmas. This is the Holiday Living 7-foot pre-lit tree. 250 color changing lights on it. And they got this at $69. And they got this deal going on from now until 11/29 also. Here's another cool Christmas decoration. They had this 4-piece animal set here with the Merry Christmas sign. They had this in at $129. Not a bad deal for this whole set. It's pre-lit, outdoor decoration, 48 inches. Pretty cool looking. 11 incandescent lights. But $129 for this one, and this is going to be going on to 11/29 also. Here's a cool kit that I bought last year. It's another 4-piece holiday decor set. It's going to come with 2 smaller trees, some garland, and then a wreath. It's all pre-lit, which is nice. But look at this price. $59 was $149. Really good deal on this. Like I said, I bought this last year. And really cool the way it looks. Here's a look at the pine trees. You got your garland up top, the wreath in the middle. 59 bucks for this, guys. Not a bad deal. All right, guys, next up, they had some inflatables, and they had 4 different versions here. Right here, they got the Grinch. This is a 7.5-foot inflatable, and they got this in at $79, was a $139. So pretty good deal on that. They also had Mickey Mouse. This was also, I think this was a 7-footer. Yeah, this one was a 7-footer for $79. And then they had the Minions and the Peanut Snoopy there, both inflatables. And I think these were even smaller. These are 6.5 foot at $79. So 4 different versions there. They had some garland. It was pre-lit. Was $19.98 down to $7.98. This is a 9-foot pre-lit garland strand. Pretty cool for decorating outside or inside the house. All right, guys, so they also had a 44-inch twinkling penguin. This wasn't the only one they had, but this is some indoor-outdoor decor, 44 inches. It was $39, but they had a few different ones here. Here's a twinkling penguin pre-lit. They also had Santa. that was pre-lit, and they also had a snowman that was pre-lit. All right, next up they had this 30-inch fire pit. They had this at $89. Not the best deal that we've seen, but not too bad. It's got the copper finish on it. $89, 30-inch fire pit. Guys looking for a fire pit, might be something you're interested in. So here's a lower price on the Bluetooth speaker slash cooler. So we've seen this in one of my previous videos. Pretty cool novelty item here. It's got the built-in Bluetooth speaker, and then it's a cooler. I think you can fit 6 cans in here. So kind of cool, maybe to keep on a desk or in the shop or something. They got this price down to $49.98. They also had some deals on washer and dryers, and this is a pretty good pickup here. This is the Amana, but it's the top loader washer, electric dryer, $698 for both of these. $560 off on this. Another doorbuster deal, 1 day only. Pretty nice pickup here. You guys looking for a dryer and a washer? I don't think you really can beat this combo deal. All right, guys, so next up we had some smart home devices. First off, we had the Google Chromecast here. A little discount on that was $49.99 down to $37.99. This is 4K HDR streaming, so pretty nice. Next to that, we had the Blink 5-pack. These are the outdoor cameras, the Blink 4. They had this at a pretty good discount. It was $3.99 down to $1.99. And then they had the Blink wired floodlight camera. This was $99 down to $49.99. So a couple good deals there on the Blink cameras. They also had a really good deal on the Blink doorbell. They had this all the way down to $29.99. So nice price on the Blink doorbell. They also had the Nest doorbell battery. This was $179. They had this all the way down to $119.99. So not a bad pickup on the Nest doorbell. And then over here they had the Arlo wire-free video doorbell. This was on clearance actually, so you might not find this at your Lowe's, but it was $115. And then they had the Ring Doorbell Pro 2 all the way down to $149.99. This was $100 off, so really nice pickup there. If you guys are looking for some batteries, they had a pretty good deal on the Rayovac 36-pack, whether it's AA or AAA. Both of those priced at $9.98, regularly $20.98 special value. Really good deal there. Also for $9.98, they had the 27-gallon storage bin with lid. Was $11.98, a couple bucks off. Got that down to $9.98. So if you need to store away any stuff, be a nice pickup. All right, next up, they had the heavy-duty 5-tier shelving unit. This is $104 all the way to $89.98. This is the Commander 5-tier, 72-inch by 48-inch. So pretty nice heavy-duty shelving unit here by Project Source. 200-pound capacity, $89.98 for this one. All right, here is a couple really good deals. They had the Genie garage door opener. So this is pretty cool. It's battery backup, half horsepower, easy to install, belt drive garage door opener. Was $198 all the way down to $98. Pretty nice setup there. And then look at this deal, guys. It's the Kobalt rolling storage unit, $100 off. Lowest price we've seen all the way down to $119. This is 1 day only. You're going to be able to get this at this price, guys. So definitely go up there today if you're looking to pick that up. Really, really good deal. Then over here, they had the Little Giant ladder. They've had this for a little while. It's the 14-foot max reach Little Giant, and it's coming in at $99. Not a bad deal for a multi-purpose ladder. And then over on the other side here, they had the Werner 4-foot fiberglass ladders, 2 for $50. So not a bad deal. Pick up 2 of these for $50. 4-foot step ladders. And this deal is going to be going on till the 29th. They also had the Little Giant 22-foot reach ladder. This is the multi-position ladder. It was $239 down to $199. And this has got the 300-pound capacity with this one. 22-foot max reach on this. And this is going to have up to 33 different positions. All right, next up, they had some deals on some Craftsman. They had the Craftsman drill kit. This is going to come with the battery and charger. Only 59 bucks for this, so you're getting 20 bucks off, usually $79. And they also got some buy one, get one free going on for Craftsman. Over here, they had your choice for the Craftsman. This is the RP, so this is going to be their brushless series. You can get the drill kit or the impact driver kit. And these are going to come in at 89, usually 139, so 50 bucks off. They also had a deal on the Skill 15-piece carbide tipped router bit set down to $39.98, so half off on that. Nice little router kit there. And then they also had a 30-piece set, was a $109 all the way down to $49.98. So there's a couple deals there on the Skill router bit sets. Here's a deal on the Metabo miter saw. This was $329, got it down to $269. This is a 12-inch dual bevel compound miter saw. There's the item number for you. But all the way down to $269. Not a bad deal on that. They also had a little deal on the Craftsman 8 1/4-inch table saw. This is a portable table saw. And this was down to $129, was $149. 13 amp. So not a bad table saw by Craftsman. Little discount there. All right, so next up we had the Skill PowerCore 40. So this is a 40 volt, 12-inch powered snow shovel kit. And this was $279. I got this down to $229. And this is going to come with a 4 amp hour battery and the charger is included. There's your item number there. Not a bad deal. This is going on now until 12:06, so you got a little while on this one. They also had the Ego 615 CFM leaf blower. This is the kit, so it's going to come with a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger down to $169. And then they also had another blower here. This is the 670 CFM. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery and charger, and this was $219. They also had some deals going on for Carhartt. They had 25% off select Carhartt tees and sweatshirts. So not a bad deal there. That's going to be going on until 12/27. There's all your item numbers. So you get select Carhartt tees and sweatshirts 25% off. Then over here they had the DeWalt backpack. This is the Pro Tool backpack. $10 off on this was $99.98 down to $89.98. This is good till 12/13. Take a look at this backpack. It's a nice backpack, built really well. It can fit a lot of tools in it. And then on the front here, it is a water resistant compartment. Put your phone or some electronics in there. And then they also had the 18-inch pro rolling bag. This was $149 down to $129. This is good until 12/13. Take a quick look at this. Also another nice tote here by DeWalt. It's got the waterproof compartment on the front, nice and roomy on the inside. You got your extendable handle there, wheels on the back. It's a nice portable little system there. Be able to tote around your tools. And then they did have a deal on the Costco Series 6-foot table. This is the folding table. This was coming in at $49.98, so $10 off on that. 8-person table. All right, guys, so there you go. Some of the top deals at Lowe's. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Did you guys pick up any of these deals? That Blackstone griddle, that was a pretty good deal. And they got some good Christmas stuff deals going on. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys ended up picking anything up from Lowe's or Home Depot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you like what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.